What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus.
Richie Ruckus
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Wednesday, January 24th. This first month of 2018 is flying by. And I know what you guys are thinking. I haven't been doing that many unboxings this year. That is all about to change. A lot of sneakers are coming in that I've ordered. And today is a big one. Before we get into this unboxing, the Richie Ruckus Seinfeld Sneaker Things tee. They drop Thursday, February 1st at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on richieruckus.com. $20 and I ship internationally. I'll only be doing one drop of these. I know with the Sneaker Things hoodies, I believe 2 restocks. I believe there was 3 drops altogether. I'll only be doing one of these Seinfeld shirts. So if you want one, make sure you're on richieruckus.com at 12 p.m. on February 1st because I do expect them to go pretty fast and they are going to be very limited. Alright guys, we're going to get into this unboxing. Before we do, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Hit that thumb up if you're feeling this video and follow your boy on all social. So we got a big box today. These are the John Geiger 001 chili peppers. I've been dying to get my hands on these. You guys know that I kind of pump these sneakers up a lot. And I really do honestly feel like they're going to be one of the best sneakers of 2018. Let's open up this box. Get a look at the actual box of the sneakers. So we got that same box that we've seen on the burnt orange 001s that I copped a few months ago at the Lapstone Hammer 2-year anniversary party. I'm not even going to gas these up. You guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. The camera will not do these justice. These are so dope. These are a million times better in person than I thought they were honestly going to be. The leather quality on these is insane. It's got that Italian pebbled leather. They're so soft. They feel like, and I hate to use this comparison because of what it was, but these feel like the isotoner gloves that were real big that O.J. Simpson used to do the commercials on. They're so soft. These are straight fire. Damn. John, you bodied these, bro. I'm not even trying to gas you up or anything, man. These sneakers are insane. The leather quality, the craftsmanship that went into this sneaker is just so crazy. Well worth the $570 total to get these shipped here to Philadelphia. Like, you guys know I'm not just gassing these up to gas them up. I spent the $570 to get these. These weren't ooped to me. These weren't seeded to me. John, you really did kill these, bro. Straight murdered them. You got that John Geiger branding on the insole, which is also leather. The whole sneaker inside is leather. This is so crazy. The creamish color sole. You got the air unit in the back. You got the rigid bottom. The regular silhouette of the 001s that we've been seeing John release for the past year. Just so dope. The leather, it's crazy. I wish I was doing this review like in person to people because if you didn't get these, you really missed out. I think there are still some sizes available on John's website. I'll link that down in the description. They're so soft. The quality that went into these is just insane. And the camera's not going to do these justice. They're $570. That is a steep price tag because it's $550 and then $20 to get them shipped. I know everybody doesn't have money like that. I myself personally really don't even have money like that. But John Geiger is a huge inspiration and a great role model in this business, and he's just a real down-to-earth dude, and I support people like that. And I figured $570, sneaker resales, there's tons of sneakers that are reselling for over that price. I know the $570 is a retail price tag, but just still, I'd rather support somebody like this than go pay, $700, $800 for a pair of Yeezys off StockX. That's just my personal opinion. Everybody, to each their own. He murdered these. These are just straight fire. Bloody shoes. Alright guys, we're going to go do an on-foot look at these. I can't wait to get these on. Check the comfort level. I'll be back tomorrow with another unboxing and review. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Richie Ruckus Beats. Chili Pepper Geiger 001. Who this?
Holla.
Richie Ruckus Beats.